CryptoStrang here. Today, another update on Verasity. Obviously, it's a project I cover very closely on this channel. It's one of the projects I do the most videos on. Now, also causes a lot of divide, as I said many times before. It's a huge community with Verasity. You can even see on Verasity in the top right corner, coin market, 321,000 followers. Naturally, with every project out there, you get the people who label it as a scam and issue a lot of FUD. The team could be a lot more transparent. Monthly AMAs, I've mentioned many times before, be absolutely fantastic. However, literally in the last week or so, they've come alive on X and with a lot of updates. Okay, real super bullish stuff happening in Verasity. When you look at that price, it's absolutely crazy to me to think that basically you can get like 80,000 Verasity for like just over £100. It's absolutely crazy. It's never financial advice, do your own research. Me personally, I think it's a wonderful time to accumulate. I never thought we'd see this price. I genuinely didn't. You know, it's absolutely crazy. To think we actually had 1 cent sort of earlier last year is absolutely crazy. We look at it now, 0.001. Okay, markup is just under 11 million, absolute crazy, and the ranking 911 is absolutely mad. I strongly do believe this is a top 100 project when people fully understand. It's been around a long time, and that's the thing with the project, over 8 years, and they're constantly developing now after all this time. So really, when a project's been around that long, you'd naturally expect it to be a lot higher than where it is now. Okay, as I said, there's a lot of negativity within the market of this, a lot of altcoins as well, but a lot of this as well. You just go on X and you see the pro Verasity and the negative ones. It's absolutely crazy, it truly is. So, as I say, never financial advice, do your own research. Me personally, to get such a decent bag of Verasity, and I say for just basically like £100, you can get like 80,000 Verasity is absolutely crazy, it truly is. The big news this week was so they always do this every single quarter, they do a burn. This burn was absolutely huge, a lot bigger than anyone could imagine. And it is our largest VRA denominated burn to date. 174 million VRA tokens burn. Okay, that is crazy. Now, when we finally separate these tokens, the POV tokens, the VRA, we can get those 90 billion just gone to the POV. That's going to leave us with the VRA supply. And with these constant burns, naturally expect the price to go up. Okay, but again, there's no guarantee. But with these burn is absolutely crazy. Normally it's like 50 million or whatever. This is 174 million. Absolutely madness. So I think it's a wonderful time to get in there. I truly do at this price. Also with the market, I think we're coming sort of a bullish stage. I'm hoping we can finally get into this bull market, and who knows where this price can go. To think basically November the 1st, I think was the all-time high. Back in 2021, we had nearly 7 pence. Okay, absolutely crazy. Another bit I also look at is always the roadmap. You can see on the screen, if we released this, I put it on X a little while ago. You can see there are plans for the rest of the year, Vera Wallet on and off ramp options. Okay, I like the fact now on Vera Wallet you can buy with fiat. Again, I always say that it'd be absolutely fantastic. And if extending the staking to next year is great. Again, it makes people lock in the tokens. I'm still getting my daily VRA from locking it in. Easy passive income, easy crypto. Okay. Go through everything else I've got doing. I've got a lot of plans now. The dual tokens ecosystem tron mainnet launch. Obviously, that's going to be huge. And also, being in the Vera wallet, we're going to get an airdrop of the POV tokens. So again, that's great to see. But you can see here all the other stuff on the screen. A lot of other plans. And I do like the fact they're constantly developing. Okay, it's a really excellent roadmap for the year. So I really do like that. Now, again, this last sort of week, 2 weeks ago, there have been a lot of updates on partnerships, exchange listings, and this was a big partnership announcement. We're excited to announce a partnership with Ashen AI, the world's first play-to-earn title to leverage advanced AI technologies for hyper-personalized player experience. So basically doing this gaming now, play-to-earn AI. Okay, as part of this partnership, Astra will adopt the Vera Player video player to power its video delivery pipeline from action-packed game teasers. Okay. Additionally, VRA token holders will soon be eligible for exclusive airdrop of a limited edition NFT badges, unlocking enhanced in-game benefits. So again, great partnership. It's good to see. This, I think, was good as well. The fact that they're sponsoring the WebX in Japan, Asia's biggest Web3 event. To have Verasity sponsoring this, again, highlights well. You can see the other people there. You talk about, obviously, Gate, you've got the Bitbank, you've got the Arbitrum, and Verasity itself actually listed there, which is great. Okay, now just go on their website if you ever want to see sort of updates, what they're doing. Obviously, the roadmaps on here, talk about the team, the token itself, and just go through. You can see the Vera Wallet users, the community members, the local language communities, and the awarded patents. Okay, and all where it's listed. Obviously, it makes a lot of news, Verasity. You see there's been Forbes, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, etc. But their community is huge, absolutely huge. Okay, so again, that's why I'm super bullish about this project. Okay, and that's why you've got to believe in it long term. Now, go back to this. Look at that price again. Obviously, I do regular videos on Verasity because I'm always following them, see what they're doing. So, again, do your own research. If anyone help is you, just email me, info@cryptostrang.com. There's some links below to get Verasity if you want to jump in there. But again, do your own research. So, thanks very much. Stay bullish on Verasity. It's going to be a wonderful year. Cheers now. Bye.